In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and input vendor bills in Wave Accounting in just 5 minutes. If you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking to nail down your expenses management efficiently, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this quick session, you'll be familiar with entering vendor bills, ensuring your accounting records are spot on. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll navigate to the Wave Accounting website. Open your preferred web browser and head to www.waveapps.com. Once you're on Wave's homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll spot the Sign In button. Give that a click. Now, if you don't have an account, you may need to sign up. But today, let's focus on logging in. If you have a Google account, here's a neat little trick. Click on Sign In with Google, choose your Google account from the options, and you'll be seamlessly logged in without the fuss of remembering passwords. Once you're logged into your account, we're ready to create a new bill. In the dashboard, look for the Create New button, usually located around the Transactions area. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Bill. This option guides you to the bill entry interface, where you'll be populating your vendor details. Now, moving on to the specifics, choose your vendor. This is crucial for keeping track of who your business is dealing with and for appropriate record keeping. If your vendor list is already populated, you'll see a drop-down menu to select your chosen vendor. After selecting the vendor, the next step is to pick the bill date. This would usually be the date mentioned on the bill or invoice you received. Ensure you're accurate here so that your accounting records reflect the correct financial period. Following the date selection, you'll have to enter the bill number. This is typically found on the invoice from your vendor and is vital for cross-referencing in the future. If you have any further details or specifics to remember, use the Notes section to add any pertinent information regarding this bill. It's optional, but adding notes can be beneficial for clarity down the line. Continuing with your entry, it's time to add the item or product. Use the drop-down to pick the specific product or service related to this bill. Check the quantity and pricing for accuracy. This is where attention to detail really counts. Make sure everything entered matches your physical bill to avoid discrepancies in your accounting records. Finally, when you're confident everything is accurate, go ahead and click Save. By saving this entry, you've successfully recorded a vendor bill in Wave Accounting, making sure your business records are up to date and precise. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide to entering vendor bills in Wave Accounting. Keep practicing, and you'll manage your finances with ease in no time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to simplify your business operations.